Hey everybody, welcome to my channel today. My name's Joanne and we are the Gardiner family. We are from Northern Ireland and I'm going to clean my fridge today and show you a couple of different foods that what we get, but we need to do a food shop, so this is why I'm cleaning the fridge. So if you like these sort of videos, hit the like button, hit the subscribe down below and the bell to keep updated with our videos, and thanks for watching. So I keep all the cheeses, butter and chocolate spread up here because I class chocolate as dairy because it's got milk in it. Don't know if I'm right there or not, but that's what I do. And then all our pickles and sauces and everything in here. And a little bit of milk and then some more sauces. And then our milk and some juice that's open. See, I need to do a shot. And then all juices and Pepsi. Of course, Richard's a Pepsi fan, and we've only one wee lonely Strombo sitting in there. And then I make up, I always would make up juice for them out of the plastic bottles whenever I buy the juice from Asda, and then just stick it in the fridge, and it's handy. I just don't have to keep making up juice all the time. And I really dilute it down. It's basically just a hint of juice in it, but they don't think that. They think it's loads of juice, but it's mostly all water. And then our fruit, all we have is oranges. And then all we have in here is some onions. Onions and garlic, and that's it. I don't know if I'm meant to keep my onions and garlic in the fridge, but that's what I do here. What are you saying?
Hello.
You want to say hello?
Are they?
All clean now, isn't it? Nice and clean. Where'd everything go? Up here I have all stuff that's been open or cooked today or been in the freezer and left it out. So, or cooked within this week. And a lot of this dairy free stuff and everything, just like like jam and peanut butter and red sauce, like the sauce for ice cream and stuff like that. And so this is making spaghetti bolognese with this, and then there's a couple of wee like burgers in there, so I'll give them some of the wee burgers. And then this is just sausages and wee egg McMuffins that I've lifted out. And I keep these wee boxes and I hang like ice cream tubs or anything, and always keep using them. And then this is like this is just apples I pureed myself. And then this was chicken nuggets I cooked earlier on for her that she didn't finish, and Riley didn't finish neither. And an egg and stuff like that. I usually boil up a pile of eggs and leave them on this here, or have them in a tub. And then just juices and my wine and Pepsi, of course, Pepsi and soda water and just white lemonade, and then just any meat that's cooked meat in here. And then in this drawer I usually keep yogurts in here. So that's it all nice and clean for now. And you're trying to do these videos, people are coming in and out. Martin, Olivia, you're sitting going through your dummy box. I usually keep this wee box in the fridge too. Like keep all like teething rings and stuff, but she's not teething anymore, and just her dummies and stuff. But we're gonna try and wean her off all them, and we're potty training her at the minute, so that's why she's wearing a wee dress just for that. Isn't that right? Can I have that baby please? Why not? Can I have it please? We can put everything back in the box now. We need to cut these up and cook them, don't we? So that's the fridge done. So thank you for watching. If you came this far in the video, if you like these sort of videos, hit the like and subscribe and the wee bell button, and give us some wee comments down below if there's any ideas you do in the fridge and freezer whenever you're cleaning or getting ready for doing a food shop. Thanks, bye.